Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Sui. It's been a while since I covered this, but some of you requested it, and then obviously I have to do it. And on a Sunday like this, I'm also not going to tell you that there's a huge amount of coins to actually do analysis on. So Sui, it's been a while since I covered this. The chart, as you can see from the price action, looks pretty weird. There's a lot of volatility. 12-hour time frame already looks a bit better, so we will focus on that. But just wanted to do a full update on what's going on with Sui, which in short, I think we have lost the uptrend which we were in. I mean, basically, you can see we tested this uptrend a couple of times, right here, but also right here and right here. Every time the uptrend, and then also right here, I would even go as far as saying that even right here, we actually protected it successfully. But I think right now we have lost it, all right? And I don't think that's necessarily that bad. I mean, basically the entire market, except for potentially Bitcoin on the daily time frame, has lost some sort of an uptrend, right? And you can also not be trending up forever. I mean, basically Sui was trending up since the beginning of November, and before that it was bullish for a majority of the time as well. Excuse me for my voice, by the way. It's almost back, but not completely. So yeah, at some point of time, we're just going to lose that uptrend. Now, do I think that's the end of the world for Sui? Definitely not. At the moment, you can see that here on the 12-hour time frame, we have kind of settled below the trend band here, and we have lost some sort of a strong support level here at 4.5, which was a strong resistance level, then turned into a strong support level, and that actually facilitated some sort of a consolidation between 4.5 and 4.9. So we've definitely had some bearish breakouts, and we definitely had some bearish confirmations here. But ultimately, Sui is still holding on fine, and we still, like, the main support level we have between 3.9 cents and 3.5, we still haven't hit that since last week when we had that bearish momentum on Friday. So that is still filled with support. And on the higher time frames, like if you look at the daily time frame right here, as long, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. As long as we hold that level, we are perhaps no longer trending up on the lower time frames, but we are definitely still bullish structurally, right? Because then we just consolidate right here, and then it's a matter of time before we actually get new momentum so that we can break out and we can rally into $5, $6. So ultimately, at the moment, if we zoom all the way out, this is what I would say is most likely. Fundamentally, if we look at Sui, like most of the networks right now, also due to the time of the year, are experiencing some sort of slowing down. Same can be said for Sui. DEX trading volumes are down a bit. The market cap of tokens on Sui is also down a bit. TVL is, well, relatively stable actually. That's pretty good. And then daily transactions, daily active addresses also stable. So the fundamentals are neither bullish nor bearish. That's not really going to do anything. If we take a look at the momentum right here, you can also see that's relatively flat, so that's not really going to do anything. If we take a look at the spot volume for Sui, same thing. It's down quite a bit, but that's the weekend, and in general, it's been going down for a week now due to the holiday season. Bitcoin is relatively stable. So in short, and it's boring, but it is what you need to know. In short, Sui is no longer bullish, but like we have strong support for the bigger coins, and even if the bigger coins start to drop down, Sui still has a major buffer of support, and fundamentally, it's also not doing bad, right? So ultimately, what I try to say with that is that sure, we might drop down lower, but I don't really see any reason technically or fundamentally why we would give up this structure we have right here. So ultimately, I expect a consolidation, and then when we actually do get some sort of an update or we get anything new going on, then we can get new momentum, we can break out, and then it's party time. But for now, this is the situation, and this is what I think at least you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.